2020 Kia Sorento. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.